Madam Chair, we have everyone on the phone that was in the regular session. So we are still on the public record. If you'd like to do a roll call, and then we'll end this recording and then go into executive session. Do you want the clerk's office to do the roll call, or did you want to go around the room? It's up to you.
I think we'll need to go around the room since the administration has requested 5 members of the administration in addition to the municipal manager and the meeting attorney to be present, to which I have concurred with that request, given that the administration has requested this session to brief the assembly. So we'll go ahead and start. We are prepared to move into executive session, and we will go around the room, and please state your name for the record.
Felix Rivera.
Randy Solt. Peterson.
Forrest Dunbar. Christopher Thompson.
Suzanne LaFrance.
Amy DeBossi, Municipal Manager.
Michael Carl.
Blair Christensen, Acting Municipal Attorney.
Jason Beach.
Trig Erickson.
Turn
Trig Erickson.
Lance Wilbur.
T.J. Sidley Kempson.
Jack Goldhays.
Robert Jones, Municipal Clerk.
Jennifer Benacausen, Deputy Clerk.
Gina Ashman and Liz Davidson, interpreters.
There are 4 assembly members on the phone. Ms. Allard.
Jamie Allard.
Mr. Cross. Ms. Quinn Davidson.
I'm here, thank you.
Ms. Zelatel.
I'm here, thanks.
Okay, I'm going to end the public session with the roll call.
The phone was made on the line.
Correct. Okay, you are back in open session, Madam Chair.
Do we need to take the roll again?
Oh, I'm sorry, I just going to ask you to please hang up if we're on the executive session special line.
No, you can stay on the line. Members on the phone. The executive session has ended, and we are now back in open public session. I'll just give a moment here for folks to shuffle on their chairs, those chairs.
We have to deal with it. We're not done yet.
Members in the audience, please let us finish our business.
We are still in a meeting. If folks could please take their seats. There is an assembly meeting underway right now. Please take your seats. No action was taken in the executive session except to extend the meeting twice. The first motion was made to extend at 11:25. It was made by Mr. Constant, seconded by Mr. Peterson, and it extended the meeting until 11:45. The second motion to extend was made at 11:42 by Mr. Constant, seconded by Mr. Peterson. It extended the meeting until 11:55. And at 11:48, a motion was made by Mr. Constant, seconded by Mr. Peterson, to end the executive session. Is there a motion regarding when to disclose the recording of the executive session? Mr. Peterson?
I move that we keep the executive session info secret until December 29th, 2024, December 31st, 2024. That gives us 2 years in case there's a delay in getting some of this equipment.
Is there a second?
Second.
Is there any discussion on the motion made by Mr. Peterson to keep the recording confidential until December 31, 2024? It was seconded by Mr. Schultz. Any discussion on the motion? Ms. Christensen?
Do you need a sidebar? Do you need a confidential sidebar?
Go ahead, Ms. Christensen.
Thank you, Madam Chair. The administration would recommend that these tapes never be released because there's confidential information on them that could jeopardize public safety.
Thank you, Ms. Christensen. Mr. Rivera?
Thank you. So unless Mr. Peterson's willing to revoke his motion, I'll go ahead and amend the motion so that or move to amend the motion so that the tapes are never released.
Yeah, I'll rescind my motion, and I agree with Mr. Rivera.
Mr. Peterson has rescinded the motion. Mr. Schultz, as the second, agrees.
Then I'll go ahead and make that motion then to, that the tapes never be released.
Is there a second?
Second.
A motion has been made by Mr. Rivera that the tapes never be released. It has been seconded by Mr. Schultz. Any discussion? Seeing no members in the queue, Madam Clerk, would you conduct the vote, please?
Ms. LaFrance?
Yes.
Mr. Constant?
Yes.
Ms. Allard is no longer with us. Mr. Cross? Mr. Cross has dropped off as well. Mr. Dunbar?
No.
Mr. Peterson?
Yes.
Ms. Quinn Davidson?
Yes.
Mr. Rivera?
Yes.
Mr. Salt?
Yes.
Ms. Solotel?
Yes.
The motion passes 7-1.
Thank you, Madam Clerk. It's now 11:55 and the meeting is automatically adjourned. Thank you all for your participation. We will start the next work session in five minutes.